Good morning, folks. You probably won't recognise this unless you know the area. Just stopped for a coffee right outside Cheddar Gorge. Yep, there's the bike. Got my niece with me, Gromit. She's gone to get the coffees, good girl. And all being well, we're meeting up with the Western Supermoto Vlog and possibly Mrs. Western Supermoto Vlog. There'll be two of us on tractors today. I think he's bringing his early. Right, hopefully you'll get some good footage, and it's a beautiful day, so whatever you're doing, be careful, ride safe and have fun. Catch you all in a wee bit. There we go, people, so we're heading into Cheddar Gorge. Love this place. Very popular in the summer, very touristy. So as I've said before in my videos, be careful when you're riding in. A lot of the tourists tend to be looking at the scenery and oohing and ahhing at stuff rather than looking at the roads and what they're doing. So, eyes open, heads up. Excuse me, here we go again. As soon as the camera's on, I start coughing. Must be some kind of camera virus. Hopefully while we're down here, we'll nip into the cheddar cheese shop. So I have a voucher that was given to me for Christmas. Go spend some money. Lots of bikes out today. And a Can-Am. I haven't seen one of them for a while. And this is where we shall be parking and await the arrival of Mr. Western Supermoto Vlog. There he is, late as usual. Mr. Western Supermoto Vlog and Mrs. Western Supermoto Vlog on the Harley. Right, let's go. Oh, I couldn't have picked a more awkward place to turn around. Alrighty then, folks, we're away. In front of us is the Western Supermoto Vlog and Mrs. Western Supermoto Vlog. Taking us on a wee bit of a local run. Seems how it's his area. I have absolutely no idea where I'm going. Don't think anybody else has either. In all fairness, that Harley does sound rather nice. Not too loud. And I can fully appreciate why he bought it. For him and the missus to go out for a nice ride, nice cruise around. Don't blame him. Not my cup of tea, I gotta be honest, but hey ho. Each to their own. It'd be a boring world if we all rode the same bikes. Oh, that's pretty. I haven't been this way before. Very nice. It's a nice little bit of road, this. Could be good fun. If we weren't being held up. Yes, this could be a fun road. These do go stop turn corners. It's a little bit more sedate than most, but they do. And we're back again, folks. We're at the top end of Cheddar Gorge. Following Mr. and Mrs. Western Supermoto Vlog, or WSMV, on the HD. And I'm on the BMW. Good, it's all alphabets today. We're just rolling down into the gorge. We're going to stop at the bottom and grab some cheese from the Cheddar Cheese Company. And if I don't get my cheese sticks for Mrs. Grumps, I will not be popular. I might even have to make my own coffee, and that's not happening. If the place is shut, I will film it to prove it.